My name is Duane Nolden. The business name is Middleton Power Center. We're an all-season lawn and garden dealership. We like selling quality pieces of equipment, not just equipment. It's something that we pride ourselves in, is getting people the best piece, not the least expensive piece, but the best piece of equipment for their needs.
So it's a constant goal of ours to try to have equipment here that helps our customers work smarter, do more in less time, spend more time with family. The Orec is a brand that helps us do that, and we welcome them here at Middleton Power Center.
The Snow RHINO has been one of our best sellers. That piece of equipment saved our commercial guys a lot of time. So when they're out pushing snow, sidewalking, they can probably get rid of 2 to 3 guys with one machine, in that it's so fast and works so good, and it'll even climb small steps.
So the Snowball, being a track system, self-propelled walk behind, is great for small tight areas, small sidewalk areas, storefront areas, any place where traction, maneuverability really matters. Orec also has what they call a TRAILBLAZER. It is a track machine, a great material hauler. So they call it a TRAILBLAZER for a reason. So if you need to transport material to the back side of the house, it could be pavers, it could be mulch, it could be lumber, it could be any project that you have at hand. This machine is capable of helping you move that material. 650-pound capacity, track system, will go upstairs. If something's in your way, go over it.
The brush rover comes in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. So if you have steep hills, it'll go up and down anywhere. If you want that, you can get that in 4-wheel drive. It'll do small saplings, high grass, pretty much anything you want to run over is going to take down and make flat. It's a beast. The CYCLONE FLAIL mower is a mower that will chip things up almost. It's made for wet areas or dry, hilly. It's on tracks, but anything that'll pull in, it'll just kind of chip it and mulch it up. Really a nice piece of equipment.
Orec also has a garden quake, a great rear tine tiller. It's a higher end tiller that would work commercially. It'll work for large garden plots. It's powerful enough to break hard ground, create good seed beds. It's a great alternative to a lot of box store grade tillers. This is a higher grade tiller with more ease of use and durability.